In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up alarm clock on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. And this video basically is an educational video, right? I'm making this to share my thoughts on some insights and things you need to know. So what you need to do now, you need to head over to your search box, right? Click on this search. Come on here, type in clock. Yeah. So I'll click on this clock. Wait for it to open. Once it has opened, it will be displayed with some options. You can see right here you have the focus sessions, the timer, the alarm, the stopwatch, and the word clock. So we want to set up an alarm right now. What you need to do, you need to click on this alarm, right? So let's say you want to set it up on a particular time, right? Let's say it can be on every 7 a.m. or every 8 a.m. and you can choose the days you want it to be, right? Okay, if I want to do this, I'm going to click on this right now. Then we can come on here and edit it. It can be every 6:30 a.m. right? It can be every 6:30 a.m. and you can customize a message. Yeah, it can be good morning, how to you do, right? Then you can repeat the alarm if you want. You can just select the few days you want it to ring. Let's say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It can be on repeat mode if you want. You can select the music you want, right? Then you can select how long you want the alarm to ring. It can be 5 minutes, 10, 20, 30, even an hour. Once you are done, you click on this save right here. So because this is basically an educational video, right? So I don't think there's any need for me to save what I'm doing right now. I just want to share my thoughts on what you need to do. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.